Hey guys, welcome to Tech Team channel. Hope you guys having a great day. Today in this video I'm gonna show you how to use Chat GPT. So at first just go to Chrome on your phone, search for chat.openai.com. After searching, if you don't have an account in Chat GPT, you need to sign up first. After signing up, you can see this website here. You can also see in the bottom search bar. Here in the search bar you can get any kind of information and ChatGPT will help you. If you type here inappropriate request just like how to create bomb, how to do dangerous things, and ChatGPT won't help you with this. I'm showing you just a thing like this, how to be dangerous. Here you can see ChatGPT won't help you with this, but if you want to type here any kind of information just like math solutions, coding, programming, ChatGPT will help you in those informations. I'm showing you just like this. If you want to get any kind of information like this, ChatGPT will help you. So guys, this is how can you use ChatGPT. Hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.